guys, and welcome to another tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to stake Inj on Black Panther. That you're going to be staking your injective token on the Black Panther site. So make sure you agree to the terms and conditions. Please take your time to read out this and also have a look at the fees that they charge. So click on I agree to the terms. Once you've selected this option, simply click on stake with Black Panther. That's on the Injective Hub. Click on stake with Black Panther. So all you need to do now is connect your wallet. So click on wallet connect or connect wallet and select Kepler. By selecting your Kepler wallet, you're going to be making use of your Kepler wallet to stake with the validator, which is Black Panther. And to do this, all you need to do is accept the connection. As you can see here, it says requesting connection. So simply click on accept or approve. Once you've approved of this connection, your injective tokens on your Kepler wallet would then be staked with Black Panther. To confirm this, open up your Kepler wallet, which is this wallet over here. Make sure you've set up your Kepler and you've deposited some injective tokens. As you can see, I've got some injective tokens on my Kepler wallet, a good amount of injective tokens. Now, your next step to staking is quite simple. Click on stake with Black Panther, select Injective Hub, stake with Black Panther. So guys, you're taken to the Injective Hub where you simply click on the connect wallet option, and please make sure you read their term of service. Click on confirm. Once you've selected confirm, you proceed to add your Kepler wallet, connect using your browser wallet. So select Kepler, simply click on approve. Once you're done, click on approve. Once you've successfully connected your Kepler wallet, simply scroll down to where we have validators at this section and simply search for Black Panther. So we're looking for the validator Black Panther, and once you found the validator, which is Black Panther protocol, simply click on Delegate Now. So click on Delegate Now and click on Continue to Delegate, which is basically continue to stake or stake. Click on this option. Enter the amount of injective tokens you wish to delegate with Black Panther or delegate to Black Panther. So I'll be putting in an amount and I'll simply click on delegate. So guys, you have to confirm this transaction as it says here delegate 0.05 inch to Black Panther. So click on approve, and as you can see the gas fee is really small. So once you've selected approve, the delegation then begins. And as you can see, we've successfully staked 0.05 injective tokens with Black Panther. This is the commission we expect to receive. Our voting power is 9.3%. And once you scroll up, you can find the amount of injective tokens you've staked, the validator, and your claimable rewards as well. So guys, that's how you can simply stake your injective tokens with Black Panther. Do comment down below if you have a question and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.